got some business parks below us off to the left. Passing right over I-95. Here you can see the Intercoastal Waterway off on our right side. Has lots of canals cut. Everybody can have their own personal private pier. Here we're coming over the beach. Nice public beach. Delray to be precise. They've been revitalizing this beach. These little buoys over on our right side normally have a barge that pumps sand from over there back over here.
Okay.
That's where all this gray sand is, new sand that they've been pumping back up to the beach. Here's Boynton Beach. This large mansion is Oprah Winfrey's old house. I've been told it is now owned by Bruce, one of the famous mobster lawyers. Here we're coming up on the Boynton Beach Inlet. This allows access from the ocean to the Intercoastal. Here's a private golf course, one or maybe two holes for whoever owns it. This again is private beach, only this time these houses have these little beach houses which have a tunnel that goes underneath the road to the main house. So if they want to go to the beach, they don't even have to cross the road. They just get to take the tunnel. This is Manalapan Island on the left. We're going to be turning around over. Very nice, fancy island. Here you can see it's quite a bit more extensive. They've cut paths all over the place so everybody can have their own private piers again. Nice large boats in there. On our right is the Boca Raton resort. There's a big pink tower with the pink buildings beneath it.
What does the sign say? I can't. Can you see? What does the sign say?
Can you see it?
Yeah. Joane. Are you hearing me?
Ladder 2 Alpha Bravo, that helicopter is not showing up on the tower display anymore. I would presume that means it's at or below 500 feet. Contact Pompano 125.4. Okay, over to Pompano. I have the helicopter east below, yeah.
Boca Tower helicopter 81 Quebec over Lake Boca Raton, 500 feet. Here's Meisner Park on our right side, flying over. This is the FAU campus. We're flying over here. FAU Stadium is going to be on our right side.